My name is Navtej Bains. I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Procurement here at Westberry Farms. I work at Westberry Farms with my father, Parm Bains, who's the President and CEO. Westberry Farms has been around for over 30 years. I was born on the farm actually, so blueberries are sort of in my blood in some regard. And now my son gets to enjoy the farm as well. The same things I was doing as a kid, he gets to enjoy the same things as well. So it's been a family effort. We started out with one barn, with one shed, with one conveyor belt, and everyone doing all types of jobs, to a huge global production now. You know, Westberry Farms is a part of a larger community of packers and processors in British Columbia. We pack fresh and frozen blueberries. We've been doing that for quite a long time as well. Right when the season starts, everything is fresh. Those are really the best blueberries that you're gonna see from a local standpoint. A couple weeks after that, you'll start to get into frozen blueberries. You know, a great thing about being in BC is the climate. Blueberries love acidic soils. British Columbia is known for acidic soils. And also BC blueberries have this really beautiful taste to them that we've become known for. And we have a really great reputation as a BC blueberry industry as a whole. So a majority of blueberries here in British Columbia, there's three main varieties that you'll see. The first variety is called Duke, and that'll be the first thing that you see in stores. They have a really firm, crunchy taste, sweet taste to them as well. A few weeks after that, you'll see Blue Crop, and that's sort of our middle variety, in between everything. And then at the end of the season, you'll see a variety called Elliott. And they all have their unique characteristics, but overall they taste amazing because they're from British Columbia. Our local population really enjoys being able to know that we pick our blueberries in the morning, we pack them, and they're probably on your shelves in the evening. So that's a huge benefit of why BC blueberries are so great.